Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unboxing a brand new OnePlus 6. So let's go. It is a Chinese version of this model, and as you can see, here's some information about this phone, and it is 6GB and 64GB model. And as you can see, it is a regular OnePlus packaging, very simple. And I'm shooting also using OnePlus 3T, which is also camera. So first of all, this mobile. Okay, it can be later. Here it OnePlus provides silicone cover, SIM tool ejector, and some paperwork and sticker, OnePlus sticker. A silicone cover and a dash charger. It's a fast charging cable, USB-C. Power adapter is a 5V 4A. So here is OnePlus 6 mirror black. Is fully glossy finish, as you can see. So here's some information. I don't understand Chinese language, so and so it is my number. It's full shiny, but pretty fingerprint magnetic, and dual camera setup, fingerprint sensor, and one is 16 megapixel and another one is a 20 megapixel camera. And here locate in right side alert slider and power button, and this downside speaker, loudspeaker, and USB 2.0 type C port and microphone, and absolutely 3.5mm headphone jack. And in left side, as you can see, volume rocker, and it is very clicky, and SIM slot. In upside only noise cancellation mic, and turn it off. Yes, plus logo and powered by Android. It's very minimal bezel, and it's not also very small. Yeah, it's imported up. Yeah, here it. okay, no thanks. Yeah, I have done this setup. As you can see, fresh look of OnePlus 6, and here checking about the storage. Yeah, it only 1.33 gigabyte usage, available by 53.21 gigabyte, only 3%. So use space for saving your data. And yeah, it comes with Android Oreo 8.1.0 and Oxygen OSR 5.1.11. It's a latest version, so hopefully will it updated to Android very soon. And its camera, okay, camera is so fast, and also has portrait mode, very good depth of field. It has a video option also, 1080p mode, 4K. You can record 4K in 60 frames per second, very sharp. And front facing camera, it's 16 megapixel. You can record in 1080 or 720p. Okay, switch to photo. It has 3 different aspect ratio, 1:1 and 19:9. Okay, it's that's it, an unboxing video. Hope we make a depth of review video next. So thank you, and subscribe my channel for next video. Hope you enjoy, and thumbs up for me. Bye.